Hello, this is Dr. Hima, Director at K&H Personalized Medicine. Do you guys know what a drug holiday is? It is basically taking a break from your medications for about a month or two in a year. Can it really be achieved? Yes. Not for all conditions, but for some. For example, diabetes. It is a lifestyle related disease, usually diagnosed when a person is undergoing some kind of a stress, poor dietary habits and stuff. We, along with doing the medical examination, the blood work, we also check their genes for pharmacogenomics, which is looking for the genes which specifically metabolize the drugs. So that way, when we prescribe the medication, we give the medication which has a maximum benefit instead of giving a combination which might not work well. So, giving the medication with maximum response and minimal to no side effects, and at the same time very closely following the diet and lifestyle. You do that for a certain amount of time, maybe say 1 year or maybe a little bit more than that, closely following in this situation your HbA1c to make sure your blood sugars are well controlled. If they are reaching your goal HbA1c, you can be taken off the medication and monitored for about a month or so. And the drug holiday can be extended further if you're doing really well on your first drug holiday. The next time it can be done for 2 months, and it can also be in some situations that we have done extended it to 3 months. That makes our patients feel so better, because imagine every day you wake up, you do not have to take that medication every single day. Of course, you have to make sure that your lifestyle is well maintained. You cannot go back to poor eating habits and poor lifestyle habits. Now, this drug holiday, like I said, cannot be extended to all, but some other situations apart from diabetes, like thyroid, cholesterol, migraines, and so on. So, if you like the concept of drug holidays, do follow us on our social media and reach out to us. We'll let you know. And of course, read more about it as well. Take care and have a good life.